Hello viewers, I hope you all guys are doing well. It's another part of what is a server. Computer servers at home. Because server are the software, people can run server at home, accessible either to the device attached to their home network or device outside the network. For example, some network aware hard drives use the network attached storage server protocol to allow different pieces on the home network to access a shared set of the files. Plex Media Server software helps users view digital media on the TVs and the entertainment device regarding of the whether the idea exists in the cloud or a local PC. If your network is set up to allow port forwards, you can accept information and incoming requires for the outside for your network. Make your page server act as a server from a big company like Facebook or a Google. However, not all the home computers and the internet connection are the suitable for lots of the traffic, bandwidth, storage, RAM, and the system resources are factors that affect how large of a house server you can support. Most home operating systems are also void of the server related features. More information or servers. Since uptime is critically important for most servers, servers are not designed to be shut up but instead run 24/7. However, servers sometimes go down internationally for this casual maintenance, which is why some websites and the services notify users of this casual downtime or this casual maintenance. Server might also be the down unintentionally during something like a DOS attack. A web server that operates the error due to the downtime, whether international or the not, might be using a standard HTTP status code. When a web server takes down information permanently or ever temporarily, you might still be able to access those files as no third party service archive it. Wayback Machine is one of the examples of the archiver that stores shortcuts of the web pages and the file stores of the web server. Larger businesses that have multiple servers do not typically access the server locally like a keyboard and a mouse, but instead of the remote access, these servers are also remote virtually machines, meaning of a storage device can host multiple servers, which save typically space and the money. FAQ: what does a proxy server do? A proxy server as an extra layer of the protection between a sites you visit. Connecting to the proxy server hides your IP address from the other servers to connect with this, since the proxy server address instead, so an internet search for the free proxy server to find dozen of the options. What does a DNS server do? DNS server stores database of the public IP address. What you enter a URL in your browser, a DNS the server translates it to an IP address, allowing you to connect with the appropriate web browser. What does the HC, uh, DHCP server do? DHCP server is responsible for the accessing IP address using the dynamic host configuration protocol. In most home Wi-Fi networks, the error does not this job, but larger network may have a dedicated DHCP server. What is Discovered server? Discovered is a tool for the text, views, and the video that is general towards gaming communication. We join or make a discover to the server communication with people from all over the world with similar interest. Record server can be the public or a private. DNS server, what are they and why they are used? How to set an DNS alias with Apache. What is map drive? What is fixed client? What is a dynamic IP address? What are only 13 DNS robots named servers? Introduction of the client server network. Setting to Steam dedicated server. How to change DNS server settings. The best free and the public DNS server December 2023. How to connect to a server, how HTTP work, TCP port number 21 and how it works with FTP, how to enable client for the Microsoft client network, how to change DNS server setting on the home page network, how to fix DNS server not responding error.